With the help of one of the best gaming phones, you can make the mobile gaming look as good as console gaming. These phones gives a quality gaming experience while also giving you all the practicalities of a normal smartphone. They are armed with the best processors, RAM and displays on the market to make your mobile games look and feel great to play. In this video, I am going to show you top 10 such best gaming phones that you can consider to buy in 2021. Do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which smartphone did you like the most. And please don't forget to hit that like button and do share this video among your friends, and please subscribe our channel. Oppo Find X3 Pro. Oppo Find X3 Pro is a great gaming option from Oppo, and it is a flagship phone offering great specifications which are perfect for gaming. It has got a beautiful 6.7-inch display which is a QHD panel, comes with 5Hz to 120Hz refresh rate, means you will only get smooth performance when it is needed. That means you will get the best of the phone while gaming but save power when you are idly scrolling through menus or looking at photos. Speaking of which, the Oppo Find X3 Pro is a fantastic for cameras too. There are two 50MP cameras, one for normal images and other for ultra-wide. You'll also get a 13MP telephoto camera with a 5x hybrid zoom and a 3MP microscope lens for long distance and extreme close-up shots. Add to this the mix of Snapdragon 888 chipset with a 12GB of RAM, the Oppo Find X3 Pro can easily keep up the best gaming phones in terms of performance. Consider this smartphone for its stunning dynamic 120Hz display, attractive unibody design, Snapdragon 888 performance and flexible and powerful cameras. The disappointments are shiny finish is a fingerprint magnet, microscope lens is a bit of a gimmick. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. If you want a well-rounded Android smartphone that can also handle flagship games, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus is a smart choice. The S21 Plus has a 120Hz panel and a Snapdragon 888 processor like all of this year's top flagships. It may only have a 8GB of RAM, but that doesn't hold it back. It's still fast in every sense of the word. Plus, its 5G support extends to millimeter wave networks as well as the sub 6 GHz ones, which allows for the quickest data speeds on the planet for when you're gaming online away from home. Although it does offer Xbox Game Pass support, the Galaxy S21 Plus doesn't offer much strictly in the way of a dedicated gaming feature though. It is just an all-round great flagship device that also happens to be one of the best gaming phones. Consider this device for its gorgeous 120Hz AMOLED display, effective feature set for multi-purpose use. The disappointments are, it is expensive and the below average battery life. OnePlus 9 Pro. If you want a high-end Android phone for a bit less than what most high-end handsets cost, and you want peak performance for gaming without sacrificing on other amenities like design and camera quality, the OnePlus 9 Pro is a well-rounded proposition and a worthy member of the best gaming phone list. The OLED display on OnePlus' latest flagship measures 6.7-inch and packs a Quad HD resolution, making the screen sharp as well as colorful. But the OnePlus 9 Pro rises toward the top of our best gaming phone list because of its dynamic 120Hz refresh rate, which makes for a remarkably smooth experience for the games that support it like Fortnite. Even the touch sampling rate is boosted to 360Hz thanks to the OnePlus new HyperTouch technology, giving you the instant response you need to claim victory. Of course, the OnePlus 9 Pro succeeds in many of the other ways. It lasts long on a charge and supports faster wired and wireless charging than most of the other devices in this list. Consider this phone for its bright and beautiful 120Hz display, strong performance, solid quad cameras, super fast wired and wireless charging. The disappointments are, the curved display could cause accidental taps and it is expensive. Xiaomi Black Shark 3. The latest handset in the Xiaomi's Black Shark gaming line is just as impressive as the first two. It is packed with the power and functionality as well as a host of features that are going to appeal to people wanting a superior portable gaming experience. It is hard to pick a fault in anything the Black Shark 3 offers from a gaming perspective. It's not a budget phone, but at a starting price of little over $500 in the US and £500 in the UK, this is very affordable considering to what you get for your money, including a top-end Snapdragon 865 processor and an advanced cooling system. The 4720 mAh of battery gives you plenty of time between the charges as well, even when there are extended gaming sessions involved. With a gorgeous 6.67-inch display and plenty of RAM as well as some striking ergonomics, this is undoubtedly one of the best gaming phones at the moment. Buy this phone for its aggressive solid design, huge vibrant screen and some neat accessories. Nubia Red Magic 5G. The Nubia Red Magic 5G from Chinese outfit ZTE ticks a lot of the boxes that you want to have ticked when you're shopping for the best gaming phones. It has a big, bright screen, it has a high capacity battery and it has a dedicated hardware buttons around the side that mean you don't have to spend so much time tapping the screen and obscuring your view of the action. We should also talk about the looks of the phone because this is one of the best gaming phone we have seen in terms of overall aesthetics. The styling is bold and brash and hot rod radio color choices. People are going to notice when you pull this phone out of your pocket. Under the hood, it has got ultra-fast Snapdragon 865 processor from Qualcomm, which means even most demanding games are going to run smoothly, with the visuals supported by 144Hz refresh rate. Consider this device for its strong all-round performance, good battery life and dedicated gaming buttons. Xiaomi Black Shark 4 series. The Xiaomi affiliated Black Shark smartphone get even better with the latest iteration, with the Black Shark 4 series improving on its already impressive predecessor in key areas. Both phones get a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus E4 OLED screen running at 144Hz along with a 720Hz touch sampling rate, which is more in line with what you would want from a gaming phone. The shoulder button return but now retract in and out of the body, which honestly looks really cool. Making sure that you don't have to wait long before diving into your games again. Both phones comes with a 120W fast charging that Black Shark claims will give you a full charge in under 15 minutes, and that is amazing. Looking at more standard smartphone features, both Black Shark phones have triple rear cameras, with the Pro model offering a 64MP main camera and a standard variant packing a 48MP main shooter. There is a difference in the processing power this time around though. The Black Shark 4 Pro is powered by Snapdragon 888 chipset while the standard model has a Snapdragon 870 under the hood. The Black Shark 4 series is great, and while the Pro edition is even better, it's not as easily available as the standard version, which you can buy right now. Nubia Red Magic 6. If you are looking for one of the best gaming phones that's a little easier on the wallet, the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 6 will tick a lot of boxes. Designed for the gaming first and foremost, it has the latest Snapdragon 888 processor, up to 16GB of RAM, active cooling, shoulder triggers and a blazingly fast 165Hz AMOLED display. This display is only Full HD Plus, but it's still the fastest refresh rate we have ever seen on a phone. The real kicker is that it costs less than half the sticker price of some of its brand name competitors. At just $600, it's just more expensive than many upper mid-range phones with the specification that punch well above that. You don't get the same commitment to the updates or camera performance, but for pure gaming, it's a killer device. iPhone 12 Pro Max. With a 60Hz screen and just 6GB of RAM, you might initially recoil from gaming on an iPhone. However, the iPhone 12 Pro Max offers incomparable power among the best gaming phones. That's thanks to Apple's A14 Bionic chipset, which is a powerful mobile chipset on Earth, which still outspaces the Snapdragon 888 in the ROG Phone 5 even with the half of the RAM. You also have to consider that a number of premier flagship mobile titles arrive on iOS first, although the Apple Arcade subscription program, which offers a hand-picked selection of quality games that are not offered elsewhere. And they all look and run absolutely dazzling on the iPhone 12 Pro's 6.7-inch OLED display, even at a pedestrian 60Hz. It's also worth pointing out that the iPhone 12 Pro Max is supremely well-rounded handset in areas beyond gaming, excelling in particular with its camera quality and lengthy battery life. Buy the smartphone for its bright and colorful display, A14 Bionic CPU more powerful than the competition, strong battery life and excellent photography abilities. The only disappointment is it is expensive compared to all the mobile phones listed in this list. Lenovo Legion Phone Duel 2. The Lenovo Legion Phone Duel 2 takes the term gaming phone to a whole new level. Lenovo leverages its gaming PC know-how and brings it, albeit at a much smaller scale, to its latest gaming smartphone. The Legion Phone Duel 2 comes with two cooling fans that work in combination with the vapor chamber to help keep the phone cool when playing graphic-intensive games for a long time. The phone's unique look is not only to make it look like a gaming phone but also serves a practical purpose. All its internal hardware is at the center to ensure optical cooling. Shoulder triggers are par for the course with a good gaming phone nowadays, but Lenovo kicks things up a notch with the 4 total ultrasonic shoulder keys and 2 rear capacitive touch points. You also get 2 touch points embedded into the display for a total of 8 triggers. Front camera pops out from the side once again and it is in an ideal position to record yourself while playing games in the horizontal position. The camera is also a much better 44MP shooter this time around. Other specifications include powerful Snapdragon 888 chipset, up to 18GB of RAM, up to 90W fast charging and a 64MP primary camera on the back. The Lenovo Legion Phone 2 Duel is certainly one of the best gaming phones you can get in 2021. Asus ROG Phone 5. Our number one pick for the best gaming phone goes to the Asus ROG Phone 5. This should come as no surprise since it was designed and marketed with the gamers in mind. Apart from top-of-the-line specification like the Snapdragon 888 processor, a 144Hz refresh rate screen, up to 512GB of storage and up to 18GB of RAM, this phone has one of the largest batteries on the market at a whopping 6000 MHz and also comes with a fast charging support. This year there are actually 3 different models in the line: the Asus ROG Phone 5, the ROG Phone 5 Pro and the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. All 3 screen the same front screen and shoulder buttons with the minor specification boost as you move up the ladder. The design of the back is also different with an extra screen and 2 additional touch sensors on the back of the Pro and the Ultimate models. Like previous iteration, the ROG Phone 5 also has a variety of mobile gaming accessories that enhances the smartphone gaming experience. These include the Aero Active Cooler, RGB case, mobile phone gaming clips, port extension docks and more. The Aero Active Cooler ships with the Pro and the Ultimate models, but the rest will cost you extra money. So these are the top 10 best gaming phones that you can consider to buy in 2021. So which one did you like the most? Please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit the like button, share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.